All right, I played with it a little bit, and it seems to be working now. So we're gonna try this again. I was able to do this wall. Okay, uh, so let's go to this. Oh, I need to flip that. Sorry. All right, so let's try and edit the wall profile again here. Okay, and now let's try this one. And as you saw in there, there's a reset profile if you if you did what I did and made the mistakes. Okay. Now let's go in and rebuild our floor system because, well, let's go here and look. Okay. So you can see it put a wall all the way through there, which is what we just told it to do. So let's go back to here and just click OK. Yes. It did it on one side, but it didn't do it on the other side. Okay, we just have to may just have to do them like one wall at a time instead of two walls. Um, let's go to this one. Yeah, so it did one, it didn't do the other, as you can see. Okay, so we just have to do it one wall at a time instead of trying to do two at a time. Okay, so enough of that. Let's look at paint. Um, uh, I've got this in realistic modes. The easiest way to change the colors on the outside is to edit your wall family and change the color in the family because exterior siding is going to be all the same. As far as inside the house goes, easiest way is to hide your roof and your ceilings. Come on, so that you can see all of your walls. And then let's see where was my paint tool at? Geez, it used to be right here. Where was it? Right here. Paint. Okay. So we go paint, and I'm not going to tell you what kind of colors to pick. You can kind of, you know, pick some colors that you want or like. Um, you may have to do some searching, and then because this is all like finishes. Um, I don't know. You know, if you want all your walls to be the same color, you can finish white. Let's go parking stripe yellow just as an example. And see, it does the entire wall. Okay. If we want to do something different than that, then we have to go into an elevation view. Oh, we don't have any in here. Okay. You go to an elevation view and you can do individual rooms um, that way. So you kind of pick your area and you can apply paint to them. Okay, let's go back to the outside of the house and, and let's turn the roof back on. Okay, we need fascia, gutters, um, some downspouts, those kinds of things on the outside, and we need some exterior trim in the corners. Um, if you think about a house has a soffit underneath the roof, and honestly, it's it's easy to build them in Revit, but it's difficult to build them correctly, like they build them in a house. Okay, so we're going to forego putting soffits in, but we'll go ahead and do fascias. Okay, and it's on the roof tool, roof fascia, and we want a 1x6. And we'll change that over to a 1x6 and go okie dokie. And then I find it works best, not always. You may find something different. If I do my gables first, and this is a continuous command, it will keep going as long as you're going, okay? And then do my flat, and it seems to join the corners better. It is one of those kind of things that sometimes it works great, sometimes it becomes a hassle, okay? So you just go around and make sure you're clicking on the actual edge of the roof, okay? And because of that